It's too early, y'all. It is currently like 7:20 in the morning right now. A little too early for you boy to be up on a Sunday morning, but it's for a good cause, cause today there's a fat ass car meet, ValtAutoClub. Yeah, we boosted 240 recently, but we lost the flange for the wastegate on the freeway. It just came off, so the car's not starting right now. The flange comes today. Unfortunately, we can't take 240, but we got this. Just washed the car yesterday, so still look pretty. No, I was kidding, whatever. Oh, bird. Oh, that sounds hella nice, man. That thing sounds supercharged. My lips fucked up, look. I appreciate you, bro. That's all, homie. What's good, bro? Calvin.
Andrew.
Andrew, nice to meet you, Andrew. Oh, GTR.
Yeah, these you guys have a white one too. These guys are super chill. I was talking to them. We cruised here from San Jose.
Oh, really? Right? Damn, look at that. Saw you, bro? Autobots, roll out! Look at Gustavo's new bumper. I look clean. This meat is about to be fat. I love Supras. Should I sell the prelude for the Supra guys? Nah. VIP boys?
Yeah, here, dude.
How you feeling?
I don't know. I feel anxious, dude. I thought I was gonna stall in front of everyone.
For real. Bro, I felt like a new kid at school. Yeah. I got snot coming out my nose. Oh, Lamborghini. Yeah. Hello.
Look at the user, dude.
Damn. Okay, M&M's. That's the Yankees. The NT03, I think.
Dude, these things are aggressive.
Yeah.
With the bumper, bro. Like how they just sticks off on the bottom like that.
That looks clean.
It's boosted, huh?
Yeah, it's boosted. And there's drift mode.
You're kidding.
You press the button, right? Drift free. Yeah, it slides, dude. You know that? You can press the button in there and you can drift.
For the Focus?
Yeah, I might have started for the prelude.
Just like that.
Yeah. See? That Dogecoin hit $1, that's gonna be me, bro. Damn. Wow. Okay.
Damn, Ford
Look at
Carbon.
Oh, there go your boy. Are you, man?
Yeah, she goes hard. He's bright headlights like that.
Look at that. Hell
yeah, dude.
I like the green.
Is that ACR? Oh, that's multi headlights.
There go Brian.
Oh, where you at, Brian?
Yeah, no, this is what Brian want his.
Oh, that's how he wants it?
Yeah.
I go hard. Oh, it's right hand drive.
Oh. You got a blink blow headlight. What is that? Oh, 2J? Damn. See, now that's family goals right there.
That's insane, dude. That's big power right there.
It's 300. It's a sleeper, bro.
Dude, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know.
It's like popping the hood. Bro, we thought it was a dog up there.
It's all us, girl.
It's a child. I think. We thought it was a dog. Hey, that Lotus did a sacrifice. They used them as a conscious tape holder. Oh, this one right here. That's a Mr. Bean car.
Bro, what you talking about? This is more than Mr. Bean. This is sick.
Damn, that shit hella low. Damn. Right now, so I gotta. You wanna fall off?
Yep, it's all good. There it is. Perfect.
That's good. It's
Yeah,
good.
no one's got to know.
Good drift build. Drift build.
I mean, track record.
Look at ears. What?
I like this.
You got the ears. He listening. Not like that Porsche is hella nice. But I got that green one. If anything.
Blue.
Blue? We out right there.
Yeah, dude.
That's how much? That's how much?
So like, I think that's like 150.
Yeah.
Civic it is.
Oh shit. Police, we gotta go, bro. We gotta get police, bro. Police, bro. Jump in the water.
We got papers.
Hey, front hands up.
Yeah, he got us all beat, bro. He said, fuck everyone, I'm gonna go all fast, y'all.
Hey.
Cappuccino cars, what are they called? You know what I'm talking about?
What? That's a 100, bro. But that's my godfather. And they got the cookies. Let's get some In-N-Out later, bro.
We hunted.
I seen that sandwich. That shit made me hella hungry.
I know.
Someone got that Sammy. Okay. I'm gonna check it out. Hey, just go back to our car real quick. All right, brother. I'll be right there. All right. So my friend, I gave him the purple wrap.
Oh.
Yeah, and he wrapped it already.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out. Yeah, he has a Genesis. I sold my wrap to James a few days ago, and he said he got the wrap done. He's here somewhere, so I'm trying to see that purple nurple. He said parking lot in front. Oh.
Right now, it don't look that good.
Oh, what a bumper at?
Bruh, I got my wisdom teeth pulled out. I didn't
For real?
even
Oh damn.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Hey, dude, my jaw hella.
Oh, okay. You can't eat no chicken or nothing. What's up, James? You can't eat no chicken or nothing, huh? What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How you doing, brother? Oh, shit. I told you gonna look good.
Yes, sir. I look a little bad right now, dude. Dude, it had no freaking sides, no. bumper,
Oh, that shit look hella good.
I was trying to eat.
It's like a hole in there?
Yeah, on both sides. I ate mashed potatoes for dinner last night, bro.
With gravy? Oh, you good though. You got gravy on it. You good.
Yes, sir.
It look good. I can't wait till you finish it though. That's gonna look hella nice.
Yeah, what's called? I'm gonna do this in 2 pieces because his wing goes right here.
Yeah,
Right
okay.
here,
You can't
right
even
here,
see. Yeah.
so yeah, so
Dang. And then the roof's gonna be black?
that's what he wants to do. Yeah.
Okay. And there's enough wrap?
Yeah.
All right.
There's a lot of wrap right
Yeah,
here.
see, I told you, man. This guy thought I was gonna finesse him or something.
This shit looks sick. You gotta see it in the sun though. I look like
It looks
Barney
different,
right
huh?
now. I
Yeah.
look like Barney right now.
Yeah, you got
in the
pink
sun,
pearls.
you see the little pink
that
part
purple
of
cut.
the little sparkle.
Yeah, I wish I could have rocked it on the 240. But
You didn't bring it out. You didn't
I
get the.
couldn't.
You
Hell
didn't
no.
get
I didn't get the stupid ring.
Don't smoke kids.
No. But that's not even anything. Yeah, it's good. A little baby bottle.
Little baby bottle.
Yeah, you good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You woke up at 5?
Yes, I did.
Damn, that shit was still
That
dark.
called
You know.
me. I'm like, damn. I'm not trying to wake up right now.
I'm trying to go to the premiere at 7 o'clock in the
Oh,
morning.
hell no. Oh, yeah, that's why I hit you up.
Yeah, I couldn't even.
I
freaking
forget
sleep,
you was
though.
in San Jose, bro. I wouldn't even ask you when. You told me you had to wake up at 4 or
This
something.
one came though. He went. You went to the premiere?
Hell no, I couldn't make it. And I live 10 minutes
Yeah.
away. Oh, you got the shot. Oh,
This shit cold. Oh, you like
is it
it?
expensive?
Oh, I got
$40.
You don't see no see.
Hell no. $40, right?
$40.
Damn.
Low key taxing, but I jock it.
Hey,
Good
support, bro,
quality, good
support,
quality.
man.
What's the quality though?
Hey, support.
What's the brand? What's the brand? Check the brand.
Let me see this. Let me see this.
Check me out. Check me out.
Flea market. You good?
You didn't bring your 240, huh?
Hell no, I missed that little stupid ass ring.
Oh,
Look,
that's
look.
right, huh?
Yeah, right there. That shit hella wide. Yeah, that could have been me. What the fuck? There's another one?
Yeah, it's a sign, huh?
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
This is my mom.
Oh, how you doing? Thank you.
I'm okay right now.
Oh, she's so nice. She's giving away free chips.
You got the Benny was right there. Los Santos. Let me find out.
Hey,
Find out.
but you know he from the town. If you see this right here, he's from the town.
From the town.
He trying to function. The biggest stretch of all. What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Did you hear the horn on this thing?
Nah, it's
That's
funny.
hella funny.
Damn.
I make the noise, but I sound retarded.
Yeah, that's
like an ice cream truck though.
Do it?
I don't know. That sounds good.
Like what? Like what? Go, go.
How does it go? He'll do it. He'll do it.
He'll do it? How'd it go?
How'd it go?
Man, just honk it real quick. Just go in there and honk it real quick.
Wait, for real, I forgot how it sounded though. How'd it go?
That's how it sounded like. Why you licking?
I didn't look. I just said, come on real quick. I was like, whoa. Okay, let me find out.
You got the chassis mount. Chassis mount win. That's a chassis mount win.
I thought that was the parachute.
Oh, no. Oh. He fast?
He's zooming.
He's zooming, yeah. He's zooming. Unless he's capping. That's hella cars, dude. God damn.
A little bit of cars.
It's like it's a Disneyland parking lot.
There you go.
That bad.
That mic, bro.
My, bro.
Oh, look, the 240 came up again.
Dang, got 3 of them here?
Oh,
Come on, boy. That's a frame banger. Damn. Is he rap? That's rap too. Is it? Come on, tripping. He hella,
You home with the sparkle? He's a little dirty.
he hella raw though. I think it's right. He hella raw with it though. It is rap.
It is rap.
Couldn't even tell. Damn. So you got your ass feeling hella good.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh no, all the pressure points. All hit. Hey, you want some water?
Want some water? Shots on me, shots on me.
Alright. Get some, get some. Damn. That's from the toilet.
Static? Yes, sir.
Static, man. Damn. Oh, prelude, I just noticed.
Look at his headlight.
Oh, he got the real Buick side skirts. Hey, you got me?
Got me?
Yeah.
He ain't got bumper clips though.
Oh, he got the real one. That's hella fat. See, he says his whole thing.
You bring the tools, take it.
I'll just rip it off. I'm gonna zip tie later. Take it, bud.
I put it in my pocket.
That's a 12x7.
Bro, I think I need one of those.
For your Miata, man?
Yeah.
Oh. Came from the past.
Sure.
They slammed. They look like it got squashed.
Oh, it is.
Oh shit, that's my shit right there. That lion dancing.
Go hop in, go hop in.
So fucking around.
Tag him in, tag him in.
Jenny boy. Jenny boys. Jenny boys. EPR.
Ah, we short boys ain't gonna see shit. Oh, they done. Oh, no, they go. Hey, Joe, put me on your shoulders.
Oh, let's go, let's go. Hop on, I got you.
Can't see shit. Can't get in. Bro, start coughing. Start coughing, bro. I said start coughing. See, they
Let us in, let us
Super view though. Man, they over anyway.
That's the faster James.
That's that.
Can't even stay still.
Damn. That's weird. On the work one, lights in the rear, dude. He adventurous. Whenever they have a bike on top, bro, they're adventurous. That's why I'm on the roof rack for mine. Put a canoe on it. Put a canoe on it just let them know I'm adventurous. I found somebody looking at the prelude. I'm gonna act like it's not mine. Oh. Oh no, they're gone now. Oh, too late. I was gonna be like, butter prelude, hella clean.
Hey, it's your car.
Alright, we found a better parking, so we're gonna go see. Hopefully the parking's still gonna be there. There we go, we got better spots now. We was in the cuts earlier. NSX, white NSX. See, you like the white NSX better, or you like the black NSX better?
The white one.
The white NSX? Ah, for sure, for sure.
White one for sure.
Guess who it is?
Hey man, what's up, bro?
Everywhere.
You got the Hero 9, huh?
Yeah.
Oh shit, all right, man.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Down payment on
Dude,
my
wait,
bike.
that's hella nice because you can see it on
You
the
can
front.
see yourself, yeah.
Wait, that's really nice.
Yeah, but $50 a month.
$50 a month?
Yeah, down payment.
That's not even bad.
Down payment.
That's pretty good.
You brought Andy too? What's up, y'all? Guess we're here. What? What's up, Ray?
What's up?
Stick shift.
Firing.
Oh, it comes tonight. What's up, Rennie?
I feel like
What? Feel like what?
you walk out with the camera.
Oh. Hey, we YouTubers out here.
No hands too though.
Oh. No hands? Yeah. Did you get the good alignment?
Right as I pulled up, purple Cuda pulled up.
Oh yeah? Where?
Yeah.
Bro, this everything. Yeah, we had to fight for this spot.
We got there was black.
Oh, it's a black C4 too, huh?
There's a lot of money in this circle.
A lot of money.